In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom workflows using Airtable AI. If you're looking to streamline your processes and bring a touch of automation to your projects, you're in the right place. We'll walk through the steps together, ensuring you have a clear understanding of how to set up your own custom workflows. So let's dive right in. First things first, let's head over to the Airtable website. Open your preferred web browser and type in airtable.com. This will take you to the homepage of Airtable, where you can explore various features and see how it can enhance your project management. If you haven't already, consider creating an account to make the most of Airtable's capabilities. This will allow you to save your projects and access them from anywhere. Once you're on the Airtable homepage and logged into your account, direct your attention to the bottom left tab. Here, you'll find an option labeled Create. Go ahead and click on it. This is where the magic happens as you begin to set up your custom workflow. You'll be presented with several options, but for today, we're going to focus on one specific path. After clicking Create, look for the option that says Build an app on your own. Selecting this will lead you to a more personalized workspace where you can start crafting your workflow from scratch. This option provides the flexibility to tailor the app to your specific needs and objectives, making it an excellent choice for those looking to customize their project management experience. As you embark on building your app, you'll have a range of tools and features at your disposal. Take some time to familiarize yourself with the layout and options available. This step is crucial, as understanding the tools will allow you to effectively incorporate automation into your workflow. Whether you're managing a small project or a large team, these features can help you automate repetitive tasks, saving you time and effort in the long run. Remember, as you build your custom workflow, think about the specific processes you want to automate. Consider what tasks are taking up the most time, or which ones could be streamlined for greater efficiency. Airtable AI offers a variety of templates and automation options, so don't hesitate to experiment and see what works best for you. And there you have it. You're now equipped with the knowledge to create custom workflows using Airtable AI. Take some time to explore and refine your setup. The more you use Airtable, the more you'll discover its potential to transform your workflow. Thanks for joining me today, and happy automating!